Welcome to this week's segment of Maintenance Mondays. I'm Thomas Fint, owner and lead inspector here at Gold Wings Property Inspections. And today I want to go over cleaning out your dryer vent. This is something that needs to be done annually. Now it may take a little bit of work and effort on your part, but it's very important because it's estimated that about 16,000 homes per year have fires that originate from the clothes dryer. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, getting started. What we're going to want to do is pull the dryer back just enough so that we can unplug it from the wall. Anytime that you're doing any work around electrical receptacles and there's something that's plugged into it, it's always the best practice to go ahead and just remove those and unplug them to get them out of your way so that you can decrease the chance of becoming shocked. And in this particular case, this also removes the cord from becoming a trip hazard. Once we unplug the dryer from the wall, we want to remove the flexible ducting that goes from the back of the dryer to the wall vent piping over here. Once I remove it from the dryer, this allows me to get up in here and clean out any type of lint that may have accumulated there. And then we're going to want to clean out this vent piping all the way. So from the laundry room right here to where it discharges to the exterior. This vent pipe discharges to the exterior over here, and I want to go over there and check it out to see if there's an issue with it that could stop us from cleaning it out immediately and just take care of that. So let's go and check that out right now. Okay, so here we are at the exterior, and right below me is where the dryer vent discharges. And at first glance, there's already a few discrepancies that I've noted already. So the damper, the dryer vent damper wasn't installed at all. It's just laying right here, and the dryer vent itself actually discharges below ground level when it needs to be at least 12 inches above the ground. So this is a potential safety hazard because it's kind of into a hole and it's not really letting that dryer lint go and discharge properly. So once this gets clogged up, this is going to cause the dryer lint to back up more and get into the house and create that fire that could possibly create the fire that we were talking about earlier. And you know, the other thing with this damper being off, it's allowing bugs and other critters if they want to get up in there, and you know, it's not sealed properly, so you're getting moisture all around this. So it's definitely a huge safety hazard that I'm going to bring to the attention of my clients and let them know that, you know, you can leave it like this. I wouldn't because of the safety hazard. I'll also let them know that it could be a very costly expense in order to fix this, to make it proper. And also with this, I would also bring up that as much as I said that this was a yearly thing that you need to do, with this is going to be kind of a routine as is. Just come back and check it very frequently to make sure that you're not getting a buildup and a possible backup around there. So yeah, with that being said, this could be also very difficult to clean out, so we can go see what we can do. Okay, so we just finished up clearing out the vent piping. So normally what you would do is there are kits that you can buy online or at a store that has a rod and a round brush through it. And you run that rod and brush back and forth through the entire vent piping system until all of the debris is gone. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do that. I kept getting the rod stuck either on a corner or the clog. I'm not sure, but I wasn't able to do that. So a little unconventionally, what I did was I hooked a electric leaf blower to the inside vent pipe, sealed it off, and turned it on and blew everything out the exhaust. So this is the result of what we got. So this is the type of things that causes fire, right? So all of this builds up in the piping system and reduces the airflow and keeps all the heat back inside, and is what kind of causes a fire. Now, like I said, this is normally a yearly maintenance that you would do. However, with the way that this piping discharges, I would tell the homeowner that they need to, you know, keep up with this regularly, and just to make sure that everything around this area is cleared up. And a hint to let them know that it probably needs to be cleaned out is if the dryer isn't working properly. If it's not drying the clothes as fast as it normally does, that's a hint that the piping started to clog. So what we're going to do from here is I'm going to go through and vacuum all of this up, throw all of this away. I'm going to put the dampener back on, and then I'm going to go back inside, put the dryer vent the flex duct back on the dryer and the wall piping, plug it back into the wall, slide the dryer back into place, and run it through a short cycle. I run it through a short cycle just so that I can make sure that everything is working properly and is effective. Thank you so much for watching this segment of Maintenance Mondays. Visit our website at www.goldwingsinspect.com. Please feel free to contact us to schedule your next home inspection or maintenance inspection. And if you like this video and other content like this, please follow our Facebook page or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.